Is there a sex offender in the same classroom with your child? Local parents shocked tonight to learn there's no way of knowing. It's 11 o'clock. Good evening. I'm Jeff Gianola.
And I'm Kelly Day. The question came up today in the case of 19-year-old Jeremiah Thompson. He's a battleground student, and he was already a registered sex offender. Now he's accused of attacking again. KOIN Local 6 reporter Cor Harlan is live at the Clark County Courthouse, where Thompson will appear tomorrow. Cor?
That's right. He's scheduled for his arraignment here tomorrow, Kelly. You know, the question, and Jeff, the question that a lot of parents in the district there at Prairie High School are asking tonight, how could this 19-year-old, as you mentioned, convicted of child molestation, second-degree rape, and fourth-degree assault already at just 19 years old, how could this young man be roaming the halls of Prairie High School without any parent or student knowing about his criminal history?
A couple other people knew about it, but they weren't really sure if it happened or not. I wasn't really sure either, but a lot of people seemed like they were like, no, it happened. Prairie
High School student Shay Riley seemed to know it.
Our administrators know it, counselors, the teachers who are involved know it, but no notice, no announcement to students or parents or the public from the schools. It's just, we're not allowed to.
The it they're referring to is the criminal background of 19-year-old Jeremiah Thompson, a Prairie High School student, child molester, rapist, and registered sex offender, now charged with third-degree rape of a child last week after he met a 14-year-old female classmate at a local grocery store, took her to his home, and had sex with her, according to a police report. And what has parents concerned in this matter? The school cannot legally whisper a word of Thompson's criminal history to parents or students.
Something's got to change because you got to protect the innocent, not the criminal.
The school can't make an issue out of it because it's state law, a law that some Washington lawmakers would like to change.
The reality is, if I'm the parent of this little girl, the status quo has failed me miserably.
Representative Ann Rivers of La Center says Republicans in the State House have been pushing for changes that would allow school districts more flexibility to notify parents about just such a danger in schools. But she says so far that bill containing these changes hasn't even been scheduled for a hearing.
Trouble is all around us. Danger's all around us. But being aware of it can help you to mitigate it.
And that bill containing those changes referred to as House Bill 1208. Nobody's ever heard of that who doesn't follow politics regularly. My guess is in the battleground school district at Prairie High School in particular, they'll be talking a lot about House Bill 1208 that would allow school districts to inform parents and students about the sex offender dangers that may exist in their school, and may be hearing about that quite a bit going forward. Reporting for you live tonight at 11 o'clock at the Clark County Courthouse, Cor Harlan, KOIN Local 6.